React versus Angular. What's the difference? First, let's define what React and Angular are. React is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook, focusing on building user interfaces. It's known for its flexibility and use of components. Angular, on the other hand, is a TypeScript-based framework created by Google. It's a full-fledged framework designed for building complex, enterprise-level applications. React follows a component-based architecture. You can use React alongside other libraries to manage state or handle routing. It's more like a puzzle, letting you choose the pieces you want. Angular, however, is a model view controller (MVC) framework, providing everything you need right out of the box, including routing, state management, and even dependency injection. React has a gentle learning curve, especially if you're familiar with JavaScript. You'll need to learn some additional libraries like Redux for state management. Angular, however, has a steeper learning curve due to its complex concepts like decorators, dependency injection, and TypeScript. When it comes to performance, React uses a virtual DOM, which efficiently updates only the parts of the UI that change. Angular uses a real DOM, but it compensates with features like change detection and ahead-of-time (AOT) compilation to boost performance. React has a massive community and ecosystem, meaning tons of third-party libraries and tools. Angular, while smaller in community size, benefits from being fully supported by Google and is widely used in enterprise-level applications. React is ideal for dynamic web applications like dashboards, single-page apps, and lightweight projects. Angular shines in large-scale, enterprise-level applications where a comprehensive framework is essential. So, React or Angular? It all depends on your project's needs. If you prefer flexibility and a lightweight approach, go with React. If you need a robust framework for a large application, Angular might be your best bet.